Hello and welcome to all. Today we are going to learn one of the beautiful grammar topic kinds of sentences. Before going to learn, first and foremost, we should know what is sentence. A sentence is the largest unit of any language. The sentence is generally defined as a word or a group of words that express through idea by giving a statement, order, or asking a question or exclaiming. Now, kinds of sentences. There are four kinds of sentences: A. Assertive or declarative, B. Imperative, C. Interrogative, D. Exclamatory. First one, an assertive or declarative sentence makes a statement or declares something. For example, first one, the sun rises by 7 in summer. Second, I wake up by 8 every day. Third example, today all of us will be off for a picnic. An assertive sentence always ends with a full stop. Second one, an imperative sentence expresses a command or request. For example, first sentence, close that door at once. Dilnas. Second example, let the children play in the garden. An imperative sentence always ends with a full stop. Third one, an interrogative sentence asks a question. First example, would you like some more tea? Second example, which sandwiches would you like to have? An interrogative sentence always ends with a question mark. Fourth one, an exclamatory sentence expresses a sudden or strong feeling. For example, first one, what a beautiful play. Second, how well she dances. An exclamatory sentence always ends with an exclamation mark. Thank you.